Hi everybody, Derek here from Arcadia Rug Spa. I've got a little bit of a problem rug coming today. We're going to do some dye bleed testing, and I'm going to show you the difference between just testing the rug in an inconspicuous area and the fact that we've discovered that this one's got urine. It's coming from a dry cleaners, and they've actually got on the ticket, it's got a wee smell. When I say a wee smell, I don't mean a small smell. It's got quite a strong smell. So we've identified where the urine is, and it's all down this side. So what we're going to do, because a lot of urine will destabilize all the dyes, so we'll do it. We're going to do two tests using an acidic test. Best thing to use on these is an acidic test pretty much every time. So we're going to do one this side and we're going to do one that side, and we'll show you the difference between the stable side and the destable side from the urine. So simple as two cloths soaked in an acidic cleaner, and we'll do it both sides. And we always do front and back, so we don't just take a dye test from the front of the rug. A lot of people just put the cloth on top. We actually put it underneath, and then we fold it over. And we do the same on the other side. And then we'll put some weights on it. Sorry about that, I wasn't prepared. Put a board on, put some weights to hold it down, and we'll come back in about an hour's time and we'll show you the results of the two separate dye bleed tests. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so here we are. It's about 2 hours now since we've done the test. I shall pull off the weights. Oh, you can see straight away the dye's coming right through that one, whereas this one, pretty much nothing. A little bit here, but other than that, that's perfect. Whereas on this side, where the urine has been, that is what you got to contend with. So basically, the warning is, you can do as many tests as you want on these rugs. If it has got urine somewhere and you don't detect it, then you're going to be in with a little bit of trouble, because this, especially if you've got the rug the wrong way when you're cleaning it, you can wash all that into the white areas. This is already bled anyway. You can't really see it on the camera. Yeah, as you can see, urine test, not urine. I think underneath as well will be fine. Underneath here, lots and lots of dye bleed. So just be careful, do your tests and do your checks with your UV light. Get your UV light on these so that you can find out if there is any urine and test where the urine is. This is me, Derek, from Arcadia Rug Spa. I'll see you soon. Cheers, bye.
Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in anything rug related, whether it's rug cleaning, rug repair or rug restoration, or you're simply after some hints and tips, please subscribe to the channel, leave us a like, you can share the video if you want, or best still, leave a comment. We love your comments. Thanks for watching.